Dear students, we are studying chapter number 6 tissue in biology. बेटा जिस तरह से ये नोट्स है ना, इस तरह से आप लोग भी नोट्स बनाइए चैप्टर पढ़ के। जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स लगते हैं आपको उसे प्लीज़ एक जगह पे लिखते जाइए. These all things will help you to understand the chapter well. Okay. So the chapter starts with the definition of tissue. What is tissue? You all know that this is a group of cell which are similar in structure. सेल्स का वो ग्रुप जो कि सेम स्ट्रक्चर का होता है और फंक्शन भी एक ही करता है, डेट इज नोन एज टिश्यू. So a group of cells that are similar in structure and work together to achieve a particular function is called tissue. हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि this is the cluster or group of cells responsible for a particular function. Where does it found? Obviously it's a cluster of cell, so it is possible only in the multicellular organism, not in unicellular organism. Like in human beings and plants, that is possible, but in unicellular organisms like amoeba, that is not present. Then it is present in plant as well as in animal. So what is the main difference between plant and animal tissues? In plant tissues, locomotion is absent. They doesn't move from one place to another. So supportive tissue have very less living cells. While if we talk about animals tissue, their supporting tissue have more living cells. क्योंकि there is locomotion, so all the cells which are supportive in it keep dividing and multiplying, and that thing is absent in plant tissue. Growth is limited in certain regions in case of plant tissue, while in case of animal tissue this is not limited. This is uniformly distributed throughout the animal body. Plant tissues are divided into basically two tissues: meristematic tissue, which are known as dividing tissue. The dividing regions, in the division regions these are tissues are present, and second, permanent tissues which are not dividing tissues, and they all are present in नॉन डिविजनल रीजन्स. ओके, तो पर जो प्लांट टिश्यू रहते हैं इसके तो दो टाइप हो जाते हैं, मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू एंड परमानेंट टिश्यू, बट सच काइंड ऑफ डिमार्केशन इज एब्सेंट इन केस ऑफ एनिमल्स. So these all are the basic difference between plant tissue and animal tissue. Moving ahead, on page number 69 there is a small activity given. Before that there is the question that what is a tissue and what is a utility of tissue in multicellular organism. तो what is a tissue का आंसर तो आपको पता चल ही क्या होगा, that this is a group of cell which are similar in structure and work together to achieve a particular function. And second question, what is the utility of tissue in multicellular organism? So we can write tissues are used to achieve a particular or specialized function. Okay. Now activity 6.1, which shows the presence of meristematic tissue in plants. So here what you have to do, you have to take two beakers and put some water into it, fill it with water, and then keep two inverted onions on it. Okay, so then you have to take you have to see the growth in these onion. So you will find that they all are keep dividing and increasing day by day. So on the day 4 what will you do, you will cut the root tip of onion bulb which is present in jar 2 about 1 centimeter, and after this you will found different results. So what results will you found that that has to be filled here. तो इसके लिए this answer will be here. Like जब आप ये प्रैक्टिकल खुद से भी कर सकते हैं, and it will be better if you do so. Day 1 में just suppose that there is a growth at 1 centimeter, day 2 में that increase to 1.5, day 3 में 2 centimeter. Okay, same in the case of other. जैसे कि अब हमने मान लीजिए जब ग्रोथ होने लगे तो दोनों जार में सेम ही रहेगी. Then what happened, the growth in first that is 1 centimeter, again that is how 1.5 centimeter, and then in third in 2 centimeter. But in the fourth day we cut the second jar by 1 centimeter, so it reduced to 1 centimeter. And what will be the effect on day 5? Because we cut the root tip, so it will be remain same 1 centimeter. So अब क्वेश्चन ये उठता है कि which of two onions has longer roots? So you will all see that the onion of jar 1 has longer roots, as the growth of this root is not restricted. जो हमारा अनियन बल्ब है जार फर्स्ट में, उसकी रूट टिप्स ज़्यादा डेवलप होंगी क्योंकि उसको रेस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं किया गया है. सेम द क्वेश्चन 2, डू द रूट्स कंटिन्यू ग्रोइंग इवन आफ्टर वी रिमूव देयर टिप्स? नो, it will stop. Why would the tips stop growing in jar 2 when we cut them? So this is the third question. Answer will be the tips stop growing in jar 2 as the apical meristematic cells of apical meristematic cell कहिए या फिर apical meristem कहिए, both are same thing. So we can say the tips stop growing as the apical meristem is cut off or they doesn't present here. So that's why जो इसकी growth है वे रुक जाएगी. Moving ahead, you all know that these growth of plant occurs only in a certain region. These dividing tissues are known as meristematic tissue. They are present only at few points. So you can see here that if they are present on the apex मतलब सबसे ऊपर के एरिया में अगर है, they all are known as apical meristem. If they are between nodes, अब nodes क्या होते हैं? देखिए ये आपने देखा होगा कोई भी प्लांट ऐसे रहता है, तो there is a place from where leaves arises. That thing is known as nodes. ये जगह जहाँ से जहाँ से लीफ डेवलप होती है, this is known as nodes, and the place between it is known as internode. ये जो place है इसके बीच में दोनों nodes के, this is known as internode, and the place from where the leaf arises that will be known as nodes. तो internode का जो place होता है यहाँ पे basically क्या रहता है, यहाँ पे हमारी intercalary meristem रहती है. And then side के एरिया में you must have seen that plants grow by girth. उनकी जो girth रहती है वो increase होती है ना, तो for that there is the lateral meristem. So there are basically three types of meristem: apical meristem, intercalary meristem, lateral meristem. Apical meristem कहाँ पे होंगे? Occurs in the shoot and root tips. Shoots and root tips. Shoot means the part of a stem. Lateral meristem that occur in the mature region of shoot and roots, and intercalary that occurs between the mature tissues. Inter means between. So it will whenever the word inter comes, it means this place occurs between two things. Apical meristem primary आपके प्राइमरी टिश्यू को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. सो दे आर ऑफ टू टाइप, शूट एपिकल मेरिस्टेम एंड रूट एपिकल मेरिस्टेम. Lateral may be these all का secondary meristem also. And in case of intercalary, ये जितने भी grazing animals होते हैं ना, like cow, buffalo, when they graze the plant, so जब graze means when they eat it, that deficiency is maintained, that deficiency is cured by the presence of lateral meristem, और उस lateral meristem के develop होने से that plant get recovered. So growth of the plant occurs only in a specific region. Apical, the growing tip of stem. Lateral, grows lateral means increase in girth, and intercalary means increase in node. अब मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू की क्या स्पेशलिटी होती है which makes it differ from other tissues? So its specialities are these tissues are very active, they have dense cytoplasm, they lack vacuoles. You know that in plant cells vacuoles are the specific character, thin cellular wall and prominent nuclei. Now come to the towards this part, that types of plant tissue. Plant tissues are mainly divided into two parts, dividing tissues and non-dividing tissue. For dividing tissue we call meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue is the name of dividing tissues, so because they have the ability to division, and the tissue who don't have the ability of division are known as permanent tissue. अब मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू के भी 3 टाइप्स होते हैं. They all are apical, intercalary and lateral. When we talk about permanent tissue, there are mainly 2 types, simple, complex. And then there is the division of simple cells occur, which is divided into parenchyma, collenchyma, scalenchyma. Complex tissue को जाइलम और फ्लोएम में डिवाइड करते हैं. You can understand this. See, classification of plant tissue. Meristematic tissue cells are capable to divide. Permanent tissue cells are incapable of division. अब यहाँ पे सिंपल टिश्यू में भी आप देख सकते हैं which work is basically to protect and support parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Complex which have more than one cells, that is phloem and xylem. So that will be the complete division. And one more thing, in some books there is given that simple permanent tissue is divided into 4 parts, that is parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma and protective. That protective layer is known as epidermis, the outermost layer. So अगर ये किसी बुक में है, it doesn't mean कि आपका classification wrong है, that is also correct, but the most preferred classification जो लोग आप लोग अपनी कॉपी में लिखेंगे भी, that will be this. Okay, so make a division, make this type of classification at your copy. आप इस तरह से लिखिए, प्लांट टिश्यू, मेरिस्टेमेटिक, परमानेंट, फिर मेरिस्टेमेटिक के टाइप, फिर परमानेंट के टाइप, इस तरह से इसे कंप्लीट कीजिए. ओके. एंड ये एक चीज़ और मैं आपको दिखा दूँ, जो अनियन रूट की बात थी कि अब वो डेवलप और क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. दिस इज़ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ रूट टिप. ठीक है, कोई भी जो रूट टिप होती है उसका स्ट्रक्चर ये है. आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे एरिया ऑफ डिवीजन दैट इज प्रेजेंट इनटू दिस. अदर्स आर रूट हेयर, दैट इज द एरिया ऑफ एचुरेशन, इलोंगेशन, बट मेरिस्टेम इज प्रेजेंट ओनली इन दिस रीजन. So when we cut it, what happens? When we cut it, what happens? This apical meristem get completely removed from the plant, and when there is no meristem, obviously there will be no growth. यही वजह है कि जब हम अनियन की रूट टिप को कट कर देते हैं उसमें अब कोई ग्रोथ नहीं होती है. So I hope that you have understood this chapter up to page number 70. The details of permanent tissue we will discuss in tomorrow's live class. Okay, so इसे ध्यान से कर लीजिएगा. And this thing you must write in your copies: apical meristem, work, intercalary, lateral meristem, location and function. This is extremely important. This structure is extremely important. जब आप notes बनाइएगा, please try to make it like this, point wise and precised. You need not to write everything in details. That must be precised. And draw one more classification. This diagram, if you like, you can make it, but that is not compulsory. But this classification, you all have to make this in your copy. Okay, so take care a lot. Have a nice day.